Hey everyone, welcome to another video in which we're going to do some construction work. So let's open this box and see what kind of a toy we have inside. I always love to open new toys, but sometimes, they're a little bit difficult. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, we got some boulders. So we got two of them. And what seems to be some sort of a ramp. Okay, now let's get our main building out. Oh, and also we have this cool looking car. Once we take everything out of the box, here is all the pieces that we have, which looks really nice. I especially love this little car right here, a dump truck. See, we can put some boulders in the back. And we even have a space for one of the workers to drive it. Look at this. This is pretty fun. But then we also have the two workers themselves. We have some walkie-talkies here in the front, along with a wrench. And we also have a second construction worker. This one has a hammer, along with the walkie-talkie, so that they could communicate to one another. We need to put together this small little ramp here on top. But speaking of the top, whoa, check this out. We can twist this around and move it into different positions. Open it, close it, and again, we can put a boulder inside. Like so. Uh-oh, look out everyone down below. Hey, that was a pretty good drop. It fell right into the ramp. I wasn't even expecting that. But, just like with our car, the same thing here. We have a position for one of the workers to stand here and operate on this contraption. But we also have this cool elevator right here on the side. As you see, we can open it, allow one of our workers to go inside. They could go here or even right here on top. Once we close it, we can move it to the second floor. So here's our first floor, our second floor, but here is our third floor where we have this crane. So here's where the worker can stand right here on the elevator and go up to the second and the third floor. In fact, they could go together. Here we have an area for our boulders. Oh, and you see, we even have an area for our dump truck. So you see, once we have the boulder here inside, we can go up this ramp and it's gonna drop. Whoa! It's gonna drop out. Or, as you see here, there is this wedge inside. So if it drops on this side, it's gonna come out. But if it drops on the other side, it stopped. Because on this side, we have a barricade. So unless we open it, the boulder is going to be inside. But first, let's put together this ramp. So our playset is going to be complete. So this goes right here on top. We just put it inside of the hole. Oh, like this, it snaps in. So we have the crane right here. It can pick up a boulder. We can then move the crane onto the opposite side and drop the boulder right there. And now when we open this, the boulder is going to drop down. So let's see. And oh, there it goes. And it's a great learning toy because we got some numbers, as you see here. Our first floor, our second floor, and our third floor. But wait a minute. I see something here on the first floor. Oh, wow. It looks like a workstation. You see, we got some tools right there. Some gloves. Oh, a sandwich. Oh, and you see it's healthy. We got some bananas, some apple slices. Oh, and we have a giant red apple right there. So we have this work area, but also where we have our lunch. Oh, we got some footprints right there. And then we also have some shapes. We have a green triangle right here. We have an orange square. And then on the other side, we have a blue circle. So we have some colors, we have some shapes, numbers, of course our elevator. This one is always fun. But that's not all. We can turn this toy on. As you see right here, we have 3 different settings.
Level 1. Discover the fun.
Ooh, discover the fun. But right here is really our button, as you see, this giant red bar. Oh, that means our...
Let's drive nice and slow.
Oh, that means our car is on.
Spot the signs on the work site. Colorful shapes, oh so bright. The blue sign is a circle. The orange sign is a square. The green sign is a triangle. Yeah, shapes are everywhere.
Wow, that's fun. I didn't know this actually even has songs, but it does.
Look out! The dump truck dumps all of the boulders out.
And there's our dump truck.
It's hammer time.
Okay, let's see number 2.
Level 2.
Let's do something new.
Let's see what happens when we press it.
Let's get to work.
We've got a job to do.
Let's do the best that we can.
We've got a job to do.
Load boulders and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job, friend.
Nailed it.
Wow, so we got some more songs. Okay, let's see the last one, number 3.
Level 3.
Make believe.
Oh, so here we're actually doing some work and construction. Oh yes, so these are sounds dealing more with construction and work around this site. Okay, this is fantastic. So we have our 2 workers, we have our dump truck, our 2 boulders, and we have this whole play area here. Let's get to work. It's a beautiful morning on our construction site, and our workers are ready to start the day. So let me get inside of the dump truck and unload that big boulder that you see in the back. I didn't get the chance to do this yesterday. Good idea. And I will go on top of that crane because we have a big boulder stuck up there and I need to bring it down. So first, let me take the elevator going up. Let's open. And now let me get inside. Let me actually go right here on top because we will need to go to floor number 3. Let's close our elevator. And now let's take it all the way up. Oh, there is this boulder that I was talking about. It is really big, but you know what? We have our crane. And this crane can pick up anything in its way. And I'm ready as well. And so is my dump truck. Okay, let's get to the other side of our construction zone. So let's go through here.
Speed bump. Let's drive nice and slow.
Oh, that was a speed bump? Whoa, I totally forgot. That's right. Okay, here's our ramp on the other side of our construction zone. And just like the instructions show us, we need to slowly back up the ramp and the boulder is gonna go into that big hole. Here we go. Yes, we did it. Perfect. Good job. Now stand right there so that I will drop the boulder right into the back of your dump truck. So we're gonna pick up the boulder using our crane. We're gonna transfer it to our ramp. And then once we open these doors, it's gonna drop through this hole and into our dump truck. So now let's pull in from this side and back in. Teet, 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 teet. Boom, perfect. Okay, now we're ready. Okay, it's up to you. I'm ready as well. Here we go. Oh, we caught it. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Let's now transfer it to the other side and onto the ram. Uh-oh, wait a minute. I see some rocks here. Oh no, if they drop the boulder, it might get stuck on these rocks. Wait a minute, hold on. Oh no, it's too late. It's happening. Oh no, and just like I suspected, it got stuck on these rocks right here. Oh no, we had some rocks here, and a little bit right there in the back. And because we didn't clean our ramp, the boulder got stuck. Look, now that we open the door, it's not gonna fall because these rocks are stopping it. Oh no, now we have a big problem because I don't think our crane is long enough to reach this boulder all the way here in the corner. Let's see. Nope, it touches it, it moves it a little bit, but look, it cannot grab onto it. Uh-oh, we have a little bit of a problem. We're gonna need a bigger crane. Wait, I got an idea. I will call my friend, and they will bring a bigger crane. Yes, okay.
Elevator going down.
Okay, I'm here. What do you think we should do? Don't worry, I have a solution. I have a friend who can bring us a bigger crane. Let me just give them a call. Oh, and here she comes now. Yay, the day is saved. Did somebody call for a bigger crane? Yes, it was us. Thank you so much. No problem. Now we just need to put this together and get that boulder unstuck up there. Okay, so let's see. We got one giant piece. We got a second one. And a third one. So now we just need to put our bigger crane together. So first, what we need to do is connect these two pieces together by placing this bolt into here. And now turning it. Okay, here's our crane, and now we just need the base. So we place it here, and from the bottom, same thing. We need to put the screw in so that it holds it. And we have a giant crane now next to our construction zone. Let's see if this one will be able to reach it. And it can! Perfect! Yes! We got it unstuck! Now let's drop it. Oh, and it touches the barrier. Now that we open it, it's gonna drop. Thank you so much for delivering our crane and saving the day. Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now we just need to place it inside of our dump truck. And we are ready to go. There it is. Yay! Finally, I can do my job. Let's go. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video and this toy right here. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, but definitely come back next time as I will show you a lot more fun toys. So until next time, bye bye everyone. Take care.